I'm gonna work on my 2007 hoopty truck. See if I can set the camera up here where you can see. And I only have high speed on my heater. So I'm going to replace this little switch right here. And I'm going to bring this camera in here. Where that little plug-in is, there's two screws that hold that in. That's where the speed controller goes into this heater, which is right there. Let's see if we can get that out real quick. I don't know how much you'll be able to see with this in here, but we'll try to make it so you can see it. So apparently we need a 8mm, looks like, socket. Got one of those and a 1/4" wrench. Let's see if I can get this plug-in out. Yep, that was easy enough. It doesn't take too long to replace these. I think this is kind of a weak point with a lot of the Fords. I had, in fact I still have, a 99 F-150 Super Duty. It has the same problem. I'm getting ready to get that truck back up and running. Had a transmission issue. And I'm going to have to fix the same problem on that truck. Kind of a pain in the butt when you don't have your different speeds for your heater. Yeah, doggone it. There we go. Looks like the same critter. Get that to slide in there. It's all black, so you can't hardly see where it goes. And I don't have any other lights in here. Getting that inside one. Yeah, no problem. try that without the extension on it. Might actually be easier. Getting this in and out. I feel sorry for any technician that's totally right-handed. I was blessed with the ability to use both hands. My son can't use his left hand like this to save his butt. So. Almost there. Come on now. Okay, plug it in. Okay. Yeah. Put the key in the old sliver. Turn it on. Just like that. Easy peasy. I bought that at O'Reilly Auto Parts, and that's the part number they used and the brand, and they actually had that in stock, so it must be, that really must be one that goes out a lot. At least that's my impression. So for this 2007 F-150, that's what it needs. And this doesn't have the automatic temperature control and stuff in it. It's basic model.